First, dig holes based on the length of the mesh panels. The distance between these holes should be horizontal. You can use the Pythagorean theorem to calculate an approximate length based on the height difference and the length of the mesh panels. Next, place the posts into the holes and use a level to ensure that the posts are vertical to the ground. Fill the holes with soil and compact it. Use wooden pieces to secure the mesh panels and measure their horizontal level. Install connectors at the top and bottom of the posts and secure them. Due to the height difference in ground, the bottom of the second mesh panel should be close to the bottom of the relatively higher post. Secure it with wooden sticks and measure the horizontal level of the mesh panel. Install connectors at the top and bottom of the posts and secure them. Check the overall horizontal level of the fence. Finally, install and secure the connectors in the middle sections of all posts.